Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, students. This is your writing task of week 4. This week we're going to do directed writing, informal letter. What are the objectives? You're going to write an informal letter individually according to the format. You're going to develop an awareness of the audience who is being addressed in your letter. You have to use appropriate vocabulary, conjunctions, and sequence markers to organize your writing, and also your paragraphing should be according to the given task. Okay, introduction of the task. You will be given very clear instructions as to what you have to write, and for that you have to read the question carefully. It is a test of reading than continuous writing, because if you understand what you're reading, only then will you be able to attempt it correctly. You must not ignore any details, and you must not change any important facts in the situation. Nothing should be changed. You will stick to the situation that is given in the letter. 3 points are provided in the task, and all 3 points must be included in your letter. The 3 points will be written in the form of 3 paragraphs with all its essential details. Now, before attempting the task, you're going to ask these questions to yourself. Who am I writing this for? Who is the audience? I have written over here. The audience over here is your aunt. Why am I writing this? Means what is the purpose of writing? You are writing to give an account of an occasion your aunt missed and you witnessed it. It's a wedding occasion that your aunt missed because of some reason, and you have witnessed it. Now, what is the next question? How is this piece of writing going to appear? Well, it's going to be an informal writing. That's the format. And what type of words will you use? You're going to use informal language. It will be informative. You have to use past tense with adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, and sequence markers, and most importantly, punctuations. Do not miss that. And then after you have completed your task, you're going to mark your work according to this checklist. Now, you can see in the checklist, in one side it's given yes, and the other side it's given no. With yes, you have to write the evidence which tells that this checklist has been followed, and if no, then the remarks what went wrong or what was the reason that you did not write in the way it was asked. Like, have all the instructions been followed? The instructions given to you, how to attempt it, and what to do in the letter. If yes, you're going to write the evidences that you were asked to write, which details and which other details you have written in your letter. You will write all those evidences over here, or you will paste it. And then, is the purpose of the writing clear? If yes, you will write the evidence over here. How? And then, if the format is the format correctly used? Means I have uploaded a sample in the answer key. You can check that, and I have also given some letter format templates last time, which you have to follow. So according to that, where the salutation should be, how should you close it, on the left or the right, and which side you have to write the number of words, and how will you do the paragraphing, all that comes in the format. And then, are the words used for the task appropriate? Means if it's informal and according to the situation, are the words appropriate? So you're going to, if it's yes, you're going to write all those appropriate words in the evidence. And next, is the tone appropriate for the task and audience? Tone means what type of language you're using, and what type of, whether it's formal or informal, and whom are you addressing, and according to that, the person you're talking to, is the tone according to that. And then, have all the points been included? You are not going to miss anything. And then, have all the points been elaborated appropriately? All the 3 points that you are being told to write upon, they should all be written in detail. And while you're writing in detail, do not add stories. Only stick to the main points that are required for the letter, so that you meet your word count, that is 200 to 300 words. Next, are the paragraphs according to the task, and are all three paragraphs beginning with a topic sentence? Are all the three paragraphs ending with a closing sentence? And is the letter in 200 to 300 words? Okay, so you're going to follow this checklist and mark yourself and analyze your writing. And if you do not understand how to mark the checklist, ask some elder person in your house or around you to do this for you. A sample task will be uploaded at the end of every week so that you can analyze your task. And after you have done this letter, please analyze your letter with the sample that will be uploaded when the answer keys are given to you, and then match and see how much of your letter is up to the mark according to the sample. It's not important that it should be same as the answer sample letter, but at least you will have an idea how to attempt and complete the work.